Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to turn on Dynamic Lock in Windows 10. Dynamic Lock is a useful feature that automatically locks your device when you're away, adding an extra layer of security to your system. So, let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open up the Start menu. Step 2. Go to Settings. You can either click on the Settings icon in the Start menu or press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard to directly open the Settings app. Step 3. In the Settings app, click on Accounts. This will open up the account settings. Step 4. Click on Sign-in Options. This will take you to the Sign-in Options settings. Step 5. Under the Dynamic Lock section, you will see an option that says, Allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you're away. Simply click on this option to turn on Dynamic Lock, and that's it. You have successfully turned on Dynamic Lock in Windows 10. Now, when you step away from your device, Windows will automatically lock it to keep your data secure. Dynamic Lock is a fantastic feature that helps protect your privacy and prevent unauthorized access to your computer. Make sure to take advantage of this convenient security option in Windows 10. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.